So here's the bracket, finished bracket. So I want to weld it to this plate here, so it's going to hang underneath like that. So rather than screwing it together, bolting it and bolting it, I'll just do some spot welds. So I marked 2 holes here, and a really handy tool that I bought some time ago, they're quite common, is one of these pneumatic punches. So it does a swage as well as a 5mm punch, and I'll show you how that works. Plug it in, so you just line it up. So it just operates like so. Okay, so get it in there nicely, nice and square. And the next one, and there you have it. Too easy, eh? Very clean holes. And then what I'll do is I'll clamp that together, and then come through and just spot weld. There and there. Job done.